Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. And in the previous video we have seen the basic commands about the Metasploit, that is exploit, payload, encoder and NOPs, what are these means. And in moving forward now in this so in this video we will be looking into the other commands that is inside Metasploit framework. What else we can do, what are the commands Metasploit framework are having, and how we will use these commands to hack into the attacker machine, target machine. So by using the Metasploit, this exploit and payloads. So let's open the Metasploit framework now. I already have it open here, so let's take that. Okay, we have it open here. So let's see what are the commands that we have. Let's type a help and we'll see these are the commands that we have. Okay, let me minimize this and maximize this one. Okay. So we got the list of commands that these many options the Metasploit provides you to use inside the Metasploit framework. And you can see the question mark that will show you the help menu. This will show you the commands that the same list that we have brought up over here. It will show the banner. When you type a banner, it will show the Metasploit banner like this. CD will help you to change the directory, caller, connect, and all these different commands which usually we will not use this, and we no need to use that as of now. So let's see, help, IRB, load. So quiet, it will quit the console, and session. So like when we will open any session of the target machine, so that session number, that sessions that we will be looking into it using this command. Using set command you will set the options for the modules. Okay, version it will show. Then next there we have a module command, like for the exploit and for the payload what you can use. Show like here advanced, it will show you the advanced option for the exploits or the payloads. Back, then it will take you back to the module, and if you are inside any module, means it will take you back, means it will get back to the MSF console back. And edit, so edit the current module with preferred editor. So that developer mostly they will do that, so we will not be using that as of now. And option, want to see the options in exploit, it will show you the options. So sorry. And show command will show you what are the options that are there inside the explode. Use, if you want to use that payload or exploit, so it will help you for that. Next, moving further, you see the job command that we will not be using as of now. Next, okay, so here we have a database backend command. These are the very important commands, or this is the very important topic that we will be using, and it will be really helpful while using the Metasploit, because whatever the command you perform, or whatever the attacks you perform on the target machine, so it will track, or it will save the information about all your attacks. So for that you will have to create a database which is inside the Metasploit. And once you create the database, so inside the database you will have all these information about your attacking machines, like host, their services, their vulnerabilities, and if you save any notes or something, so that you can see it over here. So first of all, we will be looking into how we will be connecting to the database or creating a database. So for this, make sure that we'll open another terminal and open a new window. So you should type here as a the command that is systemctl start PostgreSQL. Okay, this will start the PostgreSQL service. After that, msfdb init. So okay, it will start the configuration for the Metasploit framework DB, but you can see that yeah, it says that now appear to be already configured, so it is keeping the initialization. Means that if it is first time for you, so it will start the initialization, and as I already configured it, so it says that it is keeping the initialization. So next, then you will open the Metasploit framework, then you will see yeah, the db commands. So db connect option is there. So after this step, you will connect to the db. Let's try this db connect. Then it says that it's already connected to MSF. So that's how it is already connected, and now this for you it will connect for the first, if it is for the first time, so it will connect to the MSF DB for you. Okay, so next thing what you can do here, the db import command is used when you are using Nexpose or Nessus or any other tool to gather the information about the target machine. So that database you can import into the Metasploit framework using a db import command. So we will not be using those applications as of now, so no need for this command. So next, moving further, db nmap. So this is the command which nmap command, if you might aware that this is the command which will very helpful for the information gathering, including the ports, operating system, MAC address, and every information about your target machine. So this we will be looking into deep in the next videos, but we will be just looking for the example how it works. And yeah, so after you connected to the DB, you can check the DB status. Okay, so it is shows as yeah, connected to MSF. Now as already connected to MSF, you can see what is the workspace, like where your complete information will be stored. So for this you can type a workspace, as there will be the one option for you as the default. There will be no any other workspace, so you can create a workspace, or you can do lot many other options with that. So for this you can type workspace or and question mark, so it will help help, and yeah, you can find what are the other options that you have available with the workspace. So you can add another workspace, you can delete it. So by the same way, I have created another workspace as MSF DB. Likewise, we will create another workspace as a MSF. Let's add it here. So a MSF workspace. Okay, it's added. Now you can see the workspace using workspace, so it will list you the workspace. Now it is automatically changed to MSF from MSF DB. Now if you want, so okay, now so once you create it, automatically this will change to the MSF as an active workspace. You can delete the workspace by using -d. You can switch to the another workspace. Like if you want to switch to the MSF DB workspace, just give workspace and its name, the workspace name. Okay, so this is how you create the workspace where your information will be stored. Now the next thing that we'll be looking is db nmap, that command which is used for the information gathering. I have here Windows XP Service Pack 2 and having IP address 242.130. Next, in my Kali Linux machine, I'm having the IP address as the 240.128. I'm sure now that my gateway is 192.168.242.1. So in this IP range, I can search for the IP addresses or the hops, the target machines which will be coming into this gateway or connected to this network. So db nmap you can give nmap, and if you are not sure what to do with this, just enter. It will show you how what you can do with this. So help, and you can see what are the things that you need to do. Example, you can see here like nmap -v or -sn or -a, and you can give the range of the IP address or the particular IP address if you are aware. So if we are not sure that what are the target machines we have available, so let's give like nmap, and we sure about our gateway address, so let's give this 242.0/24. It will show you all the, or it will gather the information about all the target machines that are coming under this range. Okay, should not take much time. Yeah, already it scanned lots of information, and we can show this one by one. Okay. Okay, so there. Okay, yeah, there it is. Yeah, here you can see that now the target specification, IP address like this, and the further information. Yeah, going further, scan techniques, what are the techniques they used, post specification. Okay, and yeah, so here it will be like scan result or something for which. Okay. And next, going further. Okay, there it is. Okay, yeah, you can see the timing, parameter, performance for this scan that we have just performed. Okay, and lots of information about the target machines that we got here, and I will show you where the IP address and all other port information it has scanned. Yeah, okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, yeah, so there you can see that is the on this oh sorry, this is the starting point for this. So these are the open ports you can see for this is the address that which is having this many open ports for this IP address. Okay, this is the MAC address for that. This is the nmap report for this host, which is showing as the host is up. This is the port that is open, MAC address, same way yeah, this is again another scan report that is for which is the XP machine that we have shown before, and this is having 130 as an address. So you can see the other information like this is the port that is open, 3389, which is for the remote desktop service, and 445 for sharing the files, and yeah, for this, that is the weak point for that machine. And we can use these ports or use the exploits that uses of these ports to attack to that machine. So MAC address is given, host is up, so all 1000 scanned ports on these machines. Okay, all right, so this is how we gather the information using nmap inside the MSF console itself. And as we have already configured the database, when you type the hosts command it will show you what are the hosts that is scanned. Like this is the one that we are looking for, that is the XP machine. And okay, so what are the services, relevant services to these machines that we got here. Okay, so we can see here 445.3389 that is open. Okay, let's see if we are able to see the vulnerabilities. So it's not showing the vulnerability. Usually it should show what are the vulnerabilities that machine have. Okay, no issues. So yeah, these are the basic stuff that we can do inside yeah, Metasploit framework. We will be looking into other command as well. Let's see what are the other things Metasploit provide. So yeah, this is about the database command that we have just seen. Okay, credential backend command like crates. So once we attack into any machine and we gather the hash dump, so this is the command that will show you the credentials that we have got. Okay, but yeah, we have a time for this thing. And yeah, so use command. Okay, want to use any exploit or payloads, you can search for that, like search command with using search command you can search that. And wanna show what are the exploit or anything or auxiliary are there, so you can use this basic command and you can see that. Like let's see exploit, so show exploit, so use show -h. Okay, let's see what are the parameters that it should have. Okay, exploit. Okay, exploits it is. So exploits, and now it will pop up all the exploits that Metasploit framework contain. Okay, there are I think 1100 and something exploits are there. So there are huge number of exploits available in Metasploit, and it will pop up all the list over here. Okay, now let's wait for that. Okay, by the same way you can type as a show payload auxiliary or plugins or other options if you want to see what is there in the Metasploit. So you can use the show command and you can see what are there inside this. You can same way you can use the use command, and you can use that, copy that payload or exploit, and you can use that. Okay, so if you are aware about any exploit or payload, the little value or some note, if you remember that, so you can use the search command this way, and you can directly search for that particular exploit or particular payload. Okay, so it will show you the list of exploit, just taking a bit of time because it is the first time that we are opening the all list of exploits. It has to build that cache inside the database, so for the first time it will take this time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got here. These are the exploits. These many exploits we have. Lots of exploit, guys, that you can use. You can learn this, but you can go according to the health that they have, like excellent or good or great. You can go with that. There will be a lot of options you will have for the Linux, for the Android, for the server, for the Windows machine, and so on. Okay, yeah, so like this, if you want to use any exploit, so let's type like use, and this exploit name, let's copy. Okay, I want use, so it will use this exploit, and by this way, under the exploit, like this is the module, so we have seen what are the commands that we have for like if you want to see how to use this exploit. So show options, so this is the thing that this required, like our host, that is remote host, like the target machine. This is the target machine address. Yeah, you can see in the description also. Yeah, exploit target is Windows 2000, so the target machine should be Windows 2000. It will not work to any other operating system, so you should be making sure that. Okay, so by this way, example, let's check for the another exploit which will work more than Windows 2000 version. So I am aware of the exploit, and so like this, if you are aware of the exploit, you can use that using the search command, and there is the back command. You can use this back, and you go back to your MSF console main screen. So yeah, let's use for this search command, and let's type this exploit. Yeah, exploit Windows. Oh, I think, yeah, this is the payload. Yeah, this will use your no. Okay, also there is, if you want to see for the exploit, so exploit multi handler. This is like the exploit which will be using for the lots of payload, like a multi handler name suggests. So okay, there you see. Yeah, matching module. Yeah, okay, yeah, exploit multi handler we got. Now if you want to use this, let's see, let's copy this, let's use. Okay, paste it, and we are here. So see what are the options that we are having here now inside this. So okay, show options. Okay, we haven't set anything yet for this because we haven't set any payload for this exploit, right? So by this way we will use the exploit. This is about the basic commands that we have seen. Okay, this is like this, and okay, let's clear it out. Okay, and go back once. Let's see help. Okay, so this is about these commands. Okay, module commands. Next thing that we have here, okay, banner will display, and these commands we don't need as of now. So this is about the basic stuff, or what else we can do inside the Metasploit by using this command, how we will use these commands to hack or to attack to the target machine. So this is how we have seen that. So in the next video I will show you some information gathering tools, like how we have seen today the nmap, that is the one. So in the next video, before going further for attacking into the machine, we definitely need to gather the information about the attacking machine, right? Sorry, the target machine. So we will see that part in the next video, by the use of like nmap, or how we can use it in different ways, or what are the other tools that we have available here in the Kali Linux to gather the information. Also the port scan, if you want to see what are the ports that are available or that are open inside the for the target machine. So we'll see how we will search for the port scan and how we will perform this. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that the next videos that will be coming, you will not miss that. So this is all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.